Why do the dogs always decide to eat when you're gonna eat? Is that good? Are you done? Hi guys, I'm doing something different today. So a friend of mine gave me some MREs, which are military, I forgot what that means. Military meals. I'll put it on the screen. I have 5 of them and I'm going to eat these for 5 days. This is gonna be my meals for 5 days. I've had them for a while. I looked them up to see if they were expired because you can like look up the number on the package to see if they're expired, and they seem to be okay. I guess I'll see. They also have a lot of carbs and calories and sodium and all that stuff, you know, to keep them, you know, bulked up. But I'm eating them. So I decided I'm gonna eat them in order of numbers because the packages are numbered. So day 1, this is what I'm having. Number 13 was the smallest number. This is menu 13, cheese, tortellini, and tomato sauce. Okay, this is what I'm having today. I'm not gonna show you the other 4. You're gonna have to wait and see. So when I was a little girl, I think my uncle ate these with my brother and I, but I don't really remember other than knowing that I think it happened. So I'm gonna do this with you guys and I don't really know what to expect. So let's open this. Okay, and I am prepared this time. Whoop. Do you cook this? Do you warm it up? Cheese tortellini? Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh yeah. So I think I did have one of these when I was a little kid. So you should just be able to rip it right open. Shouldn't you just be able to open it? I want to do this the right way. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna just do it this way. This is literally my dinner, okay? My dinner. What is that? A freaking IV or something? Hot beverage bag. Directions. Oh my God, I have to cook. I gotta cook. I thought this was gonna be an open, like a freaking Lunchable, and I was just gonna open it and eat it. Okay, pepper sauce. There's a spoon, okay? And this is crackers, okay, crackers. This says fruit punch. Sounds delicious. Chocolate peanut spread. Oh, this is a big meal. Chocolate pudding dessert powder. Oh, I have to cook. Trail mix. Oh, this is a big meal. Oh my gosh. Salt and stuff. And this must be the tortellini. Oh boy, I need glasses. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I can't see. All right, let's see. This must be the directions. Ready to eat. It's not ready to eat. It has to be cooked. What do you mean ready to eat? What's this? What's that? Huh? What is this? Thought this was gonna be easy. Oh, what is this, a heater? Does anybody know what I'm doing? Because I don't. Huh? What? Place MRE pouch in a bag with heater. What? What? And this? I don't know what I'm doing. This is not turning out the way I thought it was gonna be. I already ripped the bag. I'm supposed to cook it in this bag. I already screwed it up. All right, well, I'm putting mine in the freaking microwave. I'm sorry, you guys, I didn't do this right. Of course, I can't do it right. Sorry, you guys, I thought I was gonna be able to just bust this out and eat it, you know, like a freaking Lunchable, but it doesn't work that way. So we're just gonna eat it like this, okay? So obviously this isn't the way they eat it there, you know, because they don't have a microwave. Let's see what needs cooked. The pudding needs cooked, fruit punch. Okay, that needs cooked. Okay, I have to make the pudding and the juice, okay? Okay, here's the pudding. 4 ounces of water. I don't have a liquid measuring cup anymore. I have to buy another one. This is pudding, guys, okay? Chocolate pudding. Ooh, It smells good. Chocolate pudding. Okay, fold it over and shake for 60 seconds. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me for 60 seconds, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 25, 26, 27, 35, 36. Come on. I think that's good. 60. Stir my pudding. Oh boy. Oh, guys. Pudding. I gotta go see if I have it on my face. It's chocolate pudding. It's chocolate pudding. It's chocolate pudding. That's good. Okay. I gotta go see if I have chocolate pudding on my face. Okay, let's put the pudding in a bowl. Okay. For some reason, I thought this stuff was all gonna be like on a little plate or something. You know, this is my kind of cooking. I want to get all of it because I'm a pig. Fruit punch. You guys didn't know you were in for a cooking video, did you? Oh, good. Okay. Okay. Fold over and shake 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the juice. Anybody counting? Ready? I cooked juice. I cooked juice. All right, I think we're ready to go. Here is my pudding. There's the cheese tortellini, crackers. Oh, these are interesting. Sort of like a bland saltine, but we have peanut butter spread. Okay, let's try the peanut butter spread. Oh, on the cracker. Let's see, because that cracker is definitely a little bit to be desired. I need my spoon. Brown peanut butter. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate peanut butter spread. Mmm. Okay, okay. Mmm. Okay. That's good. Mm-hmm. Let's try the juice. That's good too. Here's the tortellini. Mmm, nice and hot. Cheese tortellini, MRE style. Oh, let's see if we want to give it any salt. Let's see what's in this little pack. Salt, gum. There's a little pack of gum. Aw, is this a napkin? Oh, it's a napkin. A napkin. Little napkins. Okay, we're gonna use those. Instant coffee, creamer for the coffee. Okay, a moist towelette. Oh, and Splenda for our coffee. This is so nice. This is nice. This is very nice. I feel like I'm fancy today. Little salts. Oh, a little salt. All right, let's mix the salts around. This is a nice serving size. This is probably what it's supposed to be. All right. Now you guys know I'm gonna love this. Mm-hmm. Tortellini, cheese tortellini. Mm-hmm. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. I know I didn't cook it the way you're supposed to, but I didn't realize how much was going to go into it, you know, and I wasn't trying to make a long video. Whoop. Let's put some on the cracker. I wonder if they ever get butter, right? Never fear, I have a napkin. This is good. This is actually the one I wanted to start out with first. Wow, that was really filling. Here's a cracker. There's a cracker for the spread. Let's check out the trail mix pouch. Ooh. What is in here? Where's my glasses? Oh, they fell. Hold on. Okay. Pretzels, peanuts, almonds, cashews, soybean, barley. I don't know. Let's see. What are those? Those are pretzels. Oh, there's peanuts. There's some peanuts in there. Oh, there's some peanuts. Peanuts. And salty almond. I'm gonna take that to work. I'm not kidding. Let's put some of it back in there. It's gonna be my work snack. Okay. I'm saving that pudding for last. That. What kind of preservatives are in these that these things can last for so long? Because these are not new. The crackers are definitely not very tasty. Well, that one's upside down. So we'll eat this one. A little sandwich. Yeah. All right, chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding. Fresh out of the bag, mixed with the water. Ooh, let's put some pretzels and some nuts in there. Yeah, ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's good. That's a whole dessert right there. Yeah, pretzels, Pretzels are good in chocolate. Yeah, pretzels and peanuts and chocolate. That's perfect. Yummy. Yum. I am quite the chef. Let me move my Cheerios box. Let's get into this chocolate pudding. This is really good pudding. I forgot to use the pepper sauce. What was that for? Well, I am full. That was good. I hope you guys liked my little MRE meal. I have 4 more to share with you guys. So over the next 4 days, that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I forgot to chew the gum. Yeah, you gotta chew the gum.